All four US stock indexes are lower. As I speak to you right now, the sell-off in the chip space is hitting the NASDAQ, driving it lower by almost 2.25%, with the S&P following behind, down 1.5%. The Dow is down 0.83%, and the Russell is down 0.72%, and they all seem to be weak. The US government imposed new export restrictions requiring NVIDIA to obtain a license to export its H2O AI chips to China, and that includes Hong Kong. This is expected to cause a $5.5 billion write-off at NVIDIA, which is hitting the stock, and other chip names are following it. We had some strong economic data last night in the form of GDP, unemployment, and industrial production out of China, but it is all pre-tariff data. Retail sales data in the US was mostly stronger, but not by much, and it didn't affect Treasury yields, which were slightly lower prior to the data, and after the data, except for the 2-year, which dropped by 3 basis points, Treasury yields were mostly unchanged. Gold erupted higher, up 2.64% so far, and reaching another new all-time high above 33.30. Silver is higher by 1.8%. Copper is just above the flat line, and crude oil is higher by 1.4%, close to testing resistance. Jerome Powell is speaking today at the Economic Club of Chicago at 1:30 Eastern Time, and he will likely avoid any change in the Fed's approach to the trade situation, but he will have to answer questions in front of an economics club, so Q&A could get very interesting. We have an ECB rate decision tomorrow morning, and markets overwhelmingly expect another 25 basis point rate cut. The statement in the press conference will matter for the direction of the euro and the dollar. Now, looking ahead, earnings after the close, we have 15 companies with a market cap of over $1 billion or more reporting, including Kinder Morgan Energy, Alcoa, CSX Railroads, and a slew of regional banks. Tomorrow, before the market opens, we have another $19 billion or more companies in terms of market cap reporting, with the most watched likely being Taiwan Semiconductor, but also United Health, American Express, Charles Schwab, Infosys, and Snap-on Tools. Data tonight, we have trade balance data out of Japan, interesting in the context of Japanese trade negotiators being at the White House today. Tomorrow, the ECB rate decision that I mentioned, and in the US, jobless claims and Philly Fed manufacturing data.